You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hello there and welcome to the video. Today we're just going to do a quick open-boxing of the TC Helicon Voicelive Acoustic. We are going to show you how to update the firmware on this device, which we suggest you do as soon as you get it. So we have not touched this unit. It's brand new. Comes with power cable, 12 volt. You're going to need the 12 volt power cable. Here's the unit. It's pretty rugged. It's a metal case. These are your controls: vocal effects, guitar effects, mix, favorite, genre, setup. This is all the setup, your presets, up and down, whatever. Hit button, back. Outputs, you get your ground, your guitar DI direct out on the right and the voice on the left, so you can split them up to your mixer. What we need to do is connect your USB cable to this micro USB and then power it up, and then connect it to your computer after you download the Voicelive support software from TC Helicon's website. So we've already gone ahead and downloaded it, and we're going to connect this and show you how to do that. So we'll get that set up. Alright, so we've gone ahead, and once you connect your TC Helicon Play Acoustic, then you start the Voicelive support software and open it up, and it can tell me right now, it's scanning it. There is a new version of firmware available for Play Acoustic. Do you want to update now? Do not stop the update once it starts. Halting the transfer or turning off the Play Acoustic before it completes could result in data loss or an inoperative device, so you don't want to brick it. So Play Acoustic will start on its own after the update is complete. So we'll show details. The update, this is a 1.3 build 48. This update doubles the amount of looping recording time in all output modes from 30 seconds in stereo, and mono is 1 minute. Turning looping undo off and setup doubles these times again, so you can double your times with the looper. So we're going to go ahead and start that update. That's what we want to do. Okay, firmware update. So again, just Google. You can find it on the Facebook. TC Helicon's website. You're looking for Voicelive. So while that's going on, you can see here the Play Acoustic is flashing, and it's updating. There's nothing on the screen. It's just flashing. So, and you've got a status on the window here. So that's great. And you want to do this before you start using your Play Acoustic. Within 24 hours of start opening it and you start using it, you want to update your firmware, or you could have some problems. Firmware update completed successfully. Okay, so we have our TC Helicon Play Acoustic connected to our PC, and we have it connected to the Voicelive support program. So it detects it, so we're going to go ahead and scan now, and it's now scanning. You can see on the bottom here, and it's detecting. Okay, so now when it lights up, now you can see the device. So right above it is update, so click update, and here build 1.3 build 48. This update doubles the amount of loop recording time, and stereo and dual mono are now 30 seconds, mono is 1 minute, and turning loop undo off and setup doubles these times again. So we're going to go ahead and start update. Oh, my firmware is update. Your firmware is already up to date. Do you want to reapply? Okay, no, so cancel. So we're up to date. So if you weren't, you would click on it. Okay, so now, if you go up here, this is the device, and click on it, and this shows all of the presets that we have. And this is from the factory. I haven't done anything with it yet, so you get 111 presets already. So you go up here to presets, go down here to cloud, and then over here you have ones you can pick from. The 500 mega pack, you can go to the 60s, the 70s, the 80s alternatives, so we'll go to the 500. And then if you look through here, there's songs like 12-Step Amy, so you can grab one of these if you want, or all of them if you want, and dump them into your thing. So we'll take this Amy one and put it into drag it over to the Play Acoustic, and it's going to say replace one or put it in an empty slot. We're going to paste to a preset to empty slot. There we go. We just put Amy into preset 112. So you can look around and find presets that you like. I'm an acoustic player, so obviously we're looking for tunes that might be good for the acoustic. So that's how you load presets into your Play Acoustic. And update also, when you're in here, you can you want to scan update presets, and you can do things like backup your data. Once you've put all new presets in, you can go ahead and click backup all. So there's a lot you can do in here, so definitely play around and check out what you can do, and get as many free presets as you can. So again, thanks for watching. Bye.